Tips on designing a decorative plant box with cactus, plants, stones, and clay. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be sharing tips and ideas on how to design a decorative plant box using cactus, different plants, stones, and creative clay designs. This is a fun DIY project that's perfect if you want to add style, beauty, and a personal touch to your home or garden. Choosing plants and cactus. When designing a plant box, the first step is selecting the right plants. Start with a variety of cactus for structure and uniqueness. Tall cactus in the center, and smaller round or clustered types around the edges. To soften the look, add a few leafy plants or succulents like aloe vera or jade plant. This combination creates balance between the sharp beauty of cactus and the lush greenery of plants. Be sure to group plants with similar water and sunlight needs, so your plant box stays healthy. Decorating with stones. Next, let's add stones for both decoration and function. Stones help control moisture, prevent soil erosion, and make the arrangement look neat. Use white pebbles for a clean, modern design, or river stones for a more natural look. You can also create patterns, such as a little stone pathway or a circle around your cactus. These details make your plant box look organized and artistic, almost like a mini landscape. Creative clay design. Now it's time to bring creativity with clay designs. Clay is so versatile, you can make tiny pots, colorful figurines, or even decorative tiles. A fun idea is to shape clay into mini houses, mushrooms, or butterflies and place them among your plants. You can also use clay to make custom plant markers or miniature pottery that holds tiny succulents. Adding these clay elements turns your plant box into a decorative piece that shows off your personality and creativity. And that's it. To design a decorative plant box, simply mix cactus with other plants, decorate with stones, and finish with creative clay pieces. It's simple, fun, and will definitely make your space stand out. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more gardening and creative design ideas. See you next time.